have spent quite a lot of time in the last couple of days fitting the new stern to my Kookaburra II hull. And as you can see here, I ended up laying some extra fiberglass because, in all honesty, on the original prototype that I made, I had a bulge here where the hull was not, it didn't look right. I lived with it for the prototype, and by adding extra fiberglass here, I have spent pretty much the entire day today sanding and getting it true. And I don't know if you can see here, but you have light coming through, but it is it is looking a lot better. Probably could do a little bit more. Once I get the deck on, I will do a little bit more. And what I'll do is I'll turn this hull into new plugs. I will produce a new mold from it before but it will sail, but I will produce a basic mold that good for maybe 10 hulls or something. So, and the next thing that I will change, I'll actually promise some, and I'm not rushing, but I will do a new keel for it, more in line with the original drawings. So that'd be really cool. And so you can see here, I haven't glued in the keel supports yet. I will wait for the real keel. And I'm working on this project too. This is a smart winch, RNG smart winch, and what I'm planning to do is to use a carbon fiber rod or tube and a 3D printed piece here. I call it the winch bracket, and I will add some more functionality, like a jib trim if you want an extra servo on it. It will have a cover here so that, you know, to try to make it as bulletproof as possible to not get tangled up. And as you can see, it sits on a slight angle so that my forestay support will go down here, and I usually put some deck supports, and they can go down on the side here. And the whole idea with this is to be able to remove this out of the boat and service it, you know, on the dock, or maybe even have an extra one with you to the pond or to the lake. So that's a project, and I will share this as STL file once I'm happy with it, or yeah. So if anyone wants to copy, I'll be happy to share that.